Hello, this is Lee Noring with Hooked on CNC. This video is a carving proposal for a customer named Antonio. Thank you, Antonio, for the opportunity to carve this wine glass with grapes with bread wrapped around it. Now, this is a simulated carving, and here you see the completed simulated carving with the border around it with the 30-degree bevel inside it out. Give you a chance to see the proportions. Now this is a simulated image of what the carving will look like once it's completed. And this program, Aspire 9, is very good at simulating the finished carving. Once it's carved, it will look very, very close to the image that is simulated in Aspire 8. Thank you very much. If you're watching and have questions about a custom wood carving job for yourself, contact me, Lee Noring, at area code 916-672-1132, or email address is hookedOnCNC@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye for now.